Okay, last but not least, we have here triggers lots of inorganics. This one is a variegated Trichocereus hybrid of some sort, which in nature they actually do hybridize too, which is interesting. So it's not like they're totally man-made hybridization. They're actually in nature. I'm putting this as a big one because it is. I'm putting this a big one because it is. See there. It is actually a big plant, so it's going to stay here for a while. I don't want it moving for a very, very long time. Okay. There. There we go. Let's see, this needs a glove. So this is a variegated, I showed you before. Okay, beautiful little specimen. And it's actually, it looks like it's very root bound, but let's see. Yes, that's the holy grail when it does that. Oh yeah, there we go. When it does that, and it's just perfectly, actually, let me, I actually want this deeper, so I'm going to damn it. Okay, can't quite do it. Oh well. There, it's right. It's all right, it's good enough. There we go. So you're probably thinking, why is such a big pot expansion? Because it is a root bound and very mature. Well, not mature, but it gets pretty big, this plant. So don't want to muck around repotting it if I don't have to. I just want to repot it now. It's going to be very wary of watering, not to overwater it, that it, yeah, that it, I'm going to do, and then I'm going to do a little pile of greenstone. Probably thinking, is this guy crazy? Why is he bothering piling on little bits of greenstone with a tweezer? Because I have a mental problem. That's why. Now I like the contrast, and I like to have like a little feature. So just like a little unnatural feature in a natural landscape, if you know what I mean. Like the color, very different. So there we go. Look at that. Not quite straight as I wanted to, but that's okay. That's it today.